Okay.
How are you today? I'm pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
How are you today? I'm pretty good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now Camel, show us the picture. Show us the picture. Okay, now Chocho, ask about the picture.
Who's she? She's my mother.
Mm-hmm.
Who's he? He is my daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Who's she? She's my sister. Who's he? He's my brother.
Mm-hmm.
Who's she? She's my grandmother. Who's she? She's my grandfather.
Okay, now please look at me. What's your name?
My name is Ken.
Camel. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, now.
Name is Chocho.
How old are you?
I am 7 years
Old. Okay, you did a very good job. Excellent. Goodbye.